Hey guys, welcome back to Sanvi's World. Today I'm back with another origami tutorial. So today we're going to be making an origami box. For this we only need two papers. One of them over here should be 19.5 centimeters both sides, and the other one should be 17 centimeters on both sides. Alright, so let's get started. First, fold the paper diagonally like so. Unfold the paper and fold it diagonally the other way. Okay, so now unfold it and take one of the corners and fold it till this point over here. Make a nice crease and do the same to all four corners. Okay, so now take the bottom edge over here and fold it to this point, this crease over here. Okay, so now do the exact same thing to the other side. Unfold these two edges, and as you can see, these two triangles are popping out. So just pull them out like this. Now, again fold this bottom edge to this crease over here. Repeat the exact same thing on this side. Alright, now so far your creation should look like this. Take this end and fold it to the second line over here. First, second, fold it to the second line over here. Now we're going to fold this edge on the same second line, but the other direction this time. Now we're going to do those exact same two folds, but on this side. Please feel free to pause the video if you feel that I'm going too fast. Now that we're done, hold these two corners like this and just push them up. If they're not going up so easily for you, just kind of push these two edges up. Now, push this up totally and fold this in. Fold the other one just like that. And there's our first box ready. Make another box with this paper following the same steps. Alright, so now pop the big box on top of the small box. Now the origami box is ready. You can end it by now, but if you want it to be prettier, you can also add some more decorations. So I decorated my box like this. You guys can decorate it however you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for all the support. Bye!